You've written a class hierarchy, and now adding one feature breaks everything. Sound familiar? The key question: what kind of relationship are you modeling? Inheritance is an is-a relationship. A dog is an animal. Composition is a has-a relationship. A dog has a behavior. When the fit isn't is-a, composition wins. Composition's biggest advantage is flexibility through loose coupling. Each component is a separate swappable object. You can change behaviors at runtime simply by replacing a component. No subclassing required. With inheritance, behavior is baked into the class chain. Changing it means modifying the parent or creating new subclasses, and those changes ripple through every descendant. Inheritance creates the fragile base class problem. A small change to a parent silently breaks every subclass. Deep hierarchies become impossible to reason about, and Python's multiple inheritance adds method resolution order complexity. Composition sidesteps all of this. Here's a concrete example. Instead of inheriting flyer and swimmer, a character class takes movement and attack strategies as constructor arguments. You can swap the movement object at runtime with no class changes needed. This is the delegation pattern. Behaviors stay independent and interchangeable. The Gang of Four say, favor composition over inheritance. Reserve inheritance for true is a relationships, where the subclass genuinely substitutes for the parent type. Default to composition for loose coupling and runtime flexibility. Use inheritance only when a genuine subtype relationship exists. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.